Every day, chat and chart live during the New York session. Here, real traders share the raw truth, their mindset, technical analysis, and execution. This is where real traders show their skill set. Welcome to Tradin TV. This is your stage to shine.
Hello, hello. How are you? Hello, everyone. Bear with me a second. I'm not sure. Bear with me a second, please. Uh, 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 uh. Just setting up. Oh, my take profit. Hi, how are you? Raja, Dev, how are you doing? US session opened for gold. Okay, bear with me a second. I'm setting up my TPs. Okay. Okay, done. And now, okay. I don't think I'm going to survive this trade. I mean, but anyway, let's try. So I'll share the screen in a second. Just 1 second. Oh my, I think I'm gonna die on this trade. I'm buying gold. I had a fantastic clear signal, but I don't think it's working. So, okay, let me share the screen. All right. And this is a previous. Come on, gold. Move up, up, up. Please. Please. All right. Do you think I'm going to survive? So I'll show you my entry in a minute. TTMC, hi, good season. So, can you see? This trade is from this morning. It hit TP, but now I'm again buying in this area and this other area, and it's not going so good. It's fine anyway, so not a problem. But I had a very strong signal to buy. That's why I decided to go in. So I'll stick to my analysis, and I think I'll pray. How are you, people in the chat? Are you on any trades? Dev, you said Xiao is down. Yes, it is indeed. It is. Are you on any trades? I'm very close to my stop loss. The movement is to the down. It's a pretty clear downtrend. So I don't think I will survive. But that's part of trading. So that's what it is. Shall go to 3,800, yeah? It might. This is let's move to a higher time frame. This is an hour. Let me delete. So we here, I'm still thinking gold has to go up a little bit more. But clearly, in a downtrend, since the beginning of May, so Hi, Red Eye. How you doing? Very close to my stop loss, anyway. And I'm out, actually. No, I'm not. Or I am. Oh, I'm not out, but I did hide the trade. Sorry. I was like, what? Come on, gold. Don't retrace any more than that. Just go up right now. I don't think. How are you? Hi, I'm okay, Red Eye. Thank you. How are you? Are you on any positions? Pretty clear downtrend in 1 minute. Very strong buy signal here, so that's why I took it. That's it. I'm gonna do something. So that's the index. What's going on? What's not moving? Hopefully it goes at least until here. That's why I have an alarm here. If it gets there, I'll start thinking about closing positions before my TP1 and TP2. So actually TP1 is here. It's down here. But let's wait. Let's wait. There's nothing else to do. I'm gonna show you if I can trading view because I think it's clearer to you. Please give entry. I'm already in and I'm buying, and my stop loss is at 43.19, so not looking good actually. I wouldn't entry on a long position right now. It's not looking any good. So first trade this morning was excellent, was extremely well executed. Now we are retesting the same area from this morning. So I was expecting for gold again to go up. It's not going to happen, it seems, but this is trading. Come on, no, wow. Volume's very high. Oh, come on. We need Trump saying everything's all right. Extremely high volume. So stay away from any entry if you are not in the market already, just for your safety. He's trying, gold's trying, but not looking good. I will need a close above this level here, just to understand we might be on a safer zone again, but it's not looking good. Moving averages are all pointing down. It was a different scenario when I started entry here. So now they are moving down. This is the 200. And you can say, oh, it's clearly pointing down. Yeah, now, but not in here. So that's why I thought very probable. And the signal was pretty clear, actually. All right. Okay. Come on. Let me close the day positive and I'll walk away. I'm gonna set another alarm just to make sure I'm not missing anything. Come on. Come on. In the meantime, I might share trading view. Why I'm not in? Okay. What's my account? That one. Again down. Oh my. Okay. Show Vantage. Not looking good. No. Gold can't hold it. Can't hold it. Clearly bearish. Okay, we are about to be out of this trade. Out, out, out. We'll have to look for another trade. I'm gonna share my screen, my trading view. Nearly out. Come on, gold. You can do it. Probabilities are not on my side. Odds are not on my side now. As Hardin, I do place trades when my stochastics are aligned and I see a clear pattern. I need to see my candle formation within an area, and then I look for a discount price and then I enter the market. It's going to daily, it's 1 minute. I only work in 1 minute. That's why my take profits and stop loss are very tight. Okay, yeah, red eye. It's a clear sell. I mean, because my buy signal was so strong at that point, that's why I took it. So, come on, gold, Trump, please. Can anyone call Trump? Just he can go out on X and say, economy is fantastic, gold is even more fantastic. Everything's all right. Buy gold. Guys like crazy. Buy gold. Tight, tight, tight. Yeah, super tight. Stop loss is around 75 pips. Usually it's 75. Maybe it's 80, 65, but by default it's 75. TP1 at 40 pips, TP2 at 60, TP3 80, 100 and 120. This is the sequence. This is the sequence. I just need 2 more candles like this one. This area is unbeatable for now. It's something he can't go higher than that. So yeah, we are in trouble. Okay. All right, so come on. Am I great, Dev? Thank you. That's important to see when someone's live streaming. Sometimes you win and sometimes you lose. That doesn't mean I am a loser at trading. That means I took this first entry fantastically, and this one was exactly the same scenario, same pattern, same everything, but it seems like it didn't work out. So it's what it is. Colin Trump, thank you. Thank you, Athar. Am I pronouncing it even, I don't know, 30% right? Athardin. Calling Trump will say Iran lost the war. All right, all right, all right. I don't mind what's the news, but I need fantastic news for gold. It's a joke. I don't mind. Depending on the news, I don't really like them. Even if gold goes up, you know. But Trump is so unpredictable sometimes. And I think he's 80 years already, 80 years old. So it's amazing. And he still stands up, is there, is showing up every morning. Amazing. You call him perfect. Thank you, at Hardin. This kind of trades make me extremely nervous because I usually, in 1 minute, trades are very fast. If they don't move to your side, you are out very, very fast. When I'm like dying slowly, oh, I can't stand it. Calling, uh, come on, God. I like trades like this one. Like my stop loss, let me check, was around here somehow. But it was very fast. So it went nearly straight down to the stop loss and then shoop, it ramped up very fast. And it's not doing it here. So it's like, I'm getting nervous. Trump is a legendary trader who trades crude oil from past 100 past days. I read years, and I and I thought, oh, okay, he's only 80, not 180. Using his own trading team. He's a. I don't like him, but at the same time, I think he's good at what he does. I don't like what he does. I don't like it. I don't. But he's very good doing it. So he has my respect, but I can't stand him. I don't know. It's difficult, but I think you know what I mean. And he's very intelligent. He's not stupid at all. He's very, very intelligent, and he knows how to play everyone and everything. around. Oh, come on, don't do that. Oh my God. Come on. Ah, come on. He's my savior. All right, all right, all right. All right, all right, all right. He is very, very intelligent. I don't agree with everything he does, but I admired him in the way he does things, and I don't know. It seems like he rules the world. I don't think it is true, but it seems like it. Ma, it's going down again. I can't believe it. It should go up straight away. Seriously. There was some news the other day. I wasn't paying attention, to be honest, but I heard something like he did buy a few stocks. Well, many stocks. I don't remember what was the stock. And out of the blue, the stock went up aggressively and he made millions. Gold can't hold it. He's struggling. It's struggling. Okay, I'm gonna do something. Uh, let's see if it goes to this area, and then I'll start taking partials because I don't like what I'm seeing. So if by any chance gold goes up, I'll start closing trades. To me, it's still bullish. I mean, price is not agreeing with me, but still bullish. Okay, I'm gonna activate that and I'm gonna start closing the moment price gets in here. I'll start closing partials. Which strategy am I following? I mean, which SMC, ICT, or price action or something else? It's price action, very specific candle formation in an area of rejection, plus my stochastics have to be aligned. It's three very simple steps and then a million hours spent adapting and understanding how gold moves. I only trade gold, and I do so because understanding perfectly one symbol, just bear with me a second. Understanding perfectly one symbol, well, let me move the screen in here. So it's the same screen. Sometimes I test indicators I do myself. Most of them are worthless, but still. So it's very complicated, this screen. Many things you can see around, but it doesn't matter. I know. Most of them, I don't use them. It's just because I test them and and then I create expert advisors to understand if the indicator combined with a few things I also develop has a little age, very, very little. If it does, then I start understanding over a 5-year period in 1 minute candles how to map out how to improve my decision, my decision making. But sometimes I have to be fair. Sometimes I trade because only with stochastics in here and nothing else in here. So all complete, blank. This is the usual way. I have another monitor to your right, I think, or well, here. And I usually trade this way. So this is very clear to me. And then I define the areas. That was an area. It's not holding. I'm still not in the safe zone. That was an area. Area ended up here of rejection. So I was expecting gold to be here. I saw my candle formation, stochastics were down, and I started entry. Come on. Oh no, it's going down. I am expecting, to be fair. I don't think indicators will save your trading from absolutely anything, but it gives a clear intention sometimes when you are working with technical analysis. No, I don't like what I'm saying again. Oops, I don't like it. If I wasn't on this trade, I wouldn't enter long here because the structure, it's not this structure. So that's it. It's retesting. I don't like at all this week. At all. Let's see how it goes. What's by okay, from how okay, sorry. I awesome. From how many years you are doing this, Rosa? I mean CFDs or futures or Forex. I only trade gold and it's CFDs on MetaTrader 5, as you can see it, on a real accounts. And I've been doing that for nearly 10 years. I've been a trader full time. So over this time, you develop a lot of knowledge if you only trade one symbol. What Abhishek? What is bias, Rosa? I'm on buying. I'm buying. I started buying here and here. Entries here, entries here. I always define my area, and I nearly got kicked out. But for now, I'm in this trade and I'm buying. This week, gold is just consolidating. Yeah, if you pay attention to, I don't know, M5, M10, 10 minutes, yeah, you can see it's consolidating. But within this range, because I'm a scalper, I work in 1 minute, you can see there's always opportunities to go long and hit all the take profits I have defined. But that's because I work in 1 minute. Higher time frames are exactly what you said, consolidating. next scenario to stay on this safe zone is a close before above this high. I'm not saying then it will work out, but it's safer. Come on, just how many pips away from my take profit? Nearly 40. What is 40 pips for gold? Come on, please. Thank you, at Hardin, and thank you, Dev. It's many years fighting the markets. Dev, I'm not in any position to give away any funded account. I wish I could. Come on. Oh my, it's happening. It might reverse, but I mean, it's looking very good. Up. Look at that. That's why sometimes gold does the same over and over. And that's why it's so important to analyze only one symbol. Degrees in gold work like magic as well. To become monthly consistent, unlock your trading system. I mean, finding edge. I'm not understanding you at Hardin. I'm not. To become monthly consistent, unlock your trading system. I mean, finding edge. I am not monthly consistent, and that's the big mistake. It's a very common mistake everyone does. People assume a professional trader is monthly profitable, consistent. We are consistent, but it doesn't. It doesn't have to be. I don't have to be profitable every month, but in a year's time, I am very profitable. It is true that it's not very common that I end up negative. But there are months in which I end up negative, and that's not a problem. 5% negative, 10% negative, it is fine. In this actual trading account that you're seeing here, that's a small account. It has around 7,000. Let me show. That's a small account. This is 7,000. All right, 7,000-ish. This one replicates to my big account. So let me just do that and then show you this. Now you can see it right here. This is an indicator I can't modify. So this month now I'm 164% up, profitable. But yesterday morning I was, okay, just bear with me. Okay, it's getting there. All right, and up. Come on. But yesterday morning I was down nearly 7%. So losses happen more often than not. I think I have started closing, right? Did I? I'm not sure. Nope, not yet. No, not yet. Just need a few more pips to the upside. Okay, come on. Come on. Come on. Another push. Push. You know what? I'm gonna close one of these entries. Just wait. I'm gonna do it properly. I will let my expert advisor to take care of this trade, whatever happens. If it goes up to here, what I'll do is I'll set up break even, and then I'll start taking some profits out. Okay. This week I don't have any setups, but good things is I am not forcing the trade. That's so important, not forcing the trade. Okay, once the gold fills the gap, it's gonna dump like a truck to what gap? Abhishek, what gap? Let me know. What's the gap it has to fill? I don't see any gap, or is it? Maybe I don't even have other time frames more than M15, you know? Okay, gold's going to this. Okay, come on. Up, 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 up. Just a little bit more. Come on. Up. Just a few pips. So I'll start closing. Okay, it's closed. Now you see automatically I set break even. So okay, one partial, two partials, break even set. That's an expert advisor. I have to manage positions very fast, otherwise it's very complicated. I still have some positions opened. I'm gonna put break even here. So please let me take some more profits and then gold can go to hell. 3,800. Sorry, I was, so how many, okay. Um, how many years it took for you to find an edge? 1,000 nearly. It's very difficult. Because when I started with Forex, nearly 28 pairs, and I tried to find an edge, the same edge in every single pair. That was impossible. So it took me 1 year and I couldn't find it. Then I moved to NASDAQ. I also trade NASDAQ from time to time. And I did find an edge, but because you spend hours and hours and hours analyzing your strategy, trying to improve. And something I do is, okay, what happened before this ramp up? Before gold going up like crazy? What happened? What was the price doing? Like candle formations, whatever. And then that's why I use indicators, just to understand, not because RSI over 80 is overbooked and under 20 is under, it's oversold. No, just understanding. Is there any divergence? I look for divergences in my stochastics. That's the main thing. Okay, every time gold goes up or down, depending on the direction of the stochastics, is there a divergence? Best rates? Yes, they are. There is a divergence. So, okay, next time, do I enter at every single signal? No, I wait for a divergence. And then I keep progressing and improving the strategy, but very, very slowly and with a journal. Strategy well defined, 2-3 steps, very clear, very objective. You can't analyze or having a strategy like, yeah, if it's not clear, I move to 10 minutes. Sometimes I move to M15, 15 minutes, but sometimes I don't. Sometimes I do one thing, sometimes I don't. That's not objective. And if you want to measure your strategy performance, 100% it has to be objective. So I don't hesitate when I go in a trade. I was very, very close to hit stop loss. It didn't happen. I hit profits and now I'm on break even. So whatever the price does from now on, I don't really care. That's how long it takes. 1 year, 2 years, and after many years, I still refine my strategy because I have more knowledge and I know how gold can move. But it takes time. It takes time. In high time frame, it may gap up on Monday. Okay. Let's move up to daily, right? Daily, I have it here. Let me close I'll hide the trades for now because otherwise you can't see price. And now, wait a second, now. Gap up on Monday. In my broker, there's no gap up. It opened, well, maybe in some of the brokers, so it's fine. Oh, sorry, you said today, sorry, because I'm so used to work in 1 minute. These dividers are the daily dividers. Monday is here because I'm on a daily. Sorry. Oh, well. Okay, so you're saying 80 pips and hey, it may gap up on Monday to the, okay. So it's gonna dump like a truck. Okay. Below 40 to 40, 50. Yeah. All right, and now I have it. Sorry, Abhishek. I was looking at that like it was Monday here because my dividers in 1 minute is the daily divider. Sorry. Def, I wish I could give a funding account, but I actually can't. I'm not in position to do that. Okay, I'm out of the trades. Oh, again. Oh my God. I'm so exhausted. Yep, out. It's only one position left. Okay, let's see what it does. Yes, Abhishek, yes, but thank you very much. What year you started seeing gold chart and what's the price? What's the price that time? I don't have an idea. When I started trading, you mean? Gold was below 2000. Like, I don't remember actually, but when I started trading gold was maybe 1800, something like that, 1500, I don't remember. But what I do when I do back test, I take from today backwards 5 years. But I don't analyze the same. So it's more important what gold's doing these 6 months of the year than what it did 5 years ago, because volatility has changed. But I want to understand if my strategy have an edge over the years. It is very clear if 5 years ago my strategy wasn't profitable, it's fine, it's okay. But at least it has to be profitable for the last 2 years. Because volatility changes, news around the world changes. Some people analyze what gold did over COVID, but that was an unexpected event. It is fine if gold doesn't lose a lot of money, but it was an unexpected event. Like now, it's war. Volatility is crazy, actually. Nowadays, it's like 3 times higher than when I started. When I started, first profit, the TP1 was at 20 pips. And sometimes I closed at 10 pips. And now I demand at least 40 pips for the first target. So volatility has changed. I can't measure 5 years ago against today. It's like having apples, trying to compare apples and bananas. It's not the same. So I focus on at least 1 year back, 2 years back, at least not losing, not being profitable, but not losing. And the rest of the years, just understanding if my strategy still is valid. Maybe not the take profits, maybe not the stop loss, but the strategy, raw strategy. Any broker you can download. Well, I use for backtesting, I use DarwinX because I have an account with them. It's a broker that allows you to download from their database. um, I think it's 10 years, but also there's many paying services. Tick Data, there's a web called, or an online service called Tick Data, I think. Let me check. Tick Data, yeah, Tick Data Suite. Yeah, Tick Data Suite. Let me write down the name on YouTube so you can check it. Why am I'm not synced in? Okay, just a second, guys. I'm not synced in. Oh my. Why I'm not synced in? Okay, I'm out of every single trade now. It hit take profit. Oh no, you can see it here. Okay, boom. There you have it. 2 entries today, 2 take profits. It could have been a stop loss and still doesn't matter. Let's see it here. It's clearer. Why it's not my password, that one? Okay, let me approve it on my phone and I'll send you the name. Tick Data Suite. Anyway. So I end up today with 2.64% up on my account. 64% up. It's not bad. Okay, I'm here. Tick Data Suite is the name of this platform. I think there's a free version, but then you can pay and you can download very truthful data. Yes, when I start 5 years, how can you be able? Okay, I gave you DarwinX is another broker. Maybe Tradin, if you ask them, they can provide you with data. When I backtest called before, 2-3K. Yeah, it's Abhishek, 100% right. Many years ago, a few years ago, 50, 100 pip was like, what? 100 pip? Gold moved 100 pips today, and now it's like even 800. Gold moved 800 pips, and people say, so what? It's volatility has changed. That's why if you work in 1 minute time frame, the definition of the strategy has to be very objective, and that's it. Okay, guys. If you have any more questions, it's time to ask me. Otherwise, I'll end up the stream. I have another zone. I have this area in here from 38 to 42, in which I will start selling. If one, price gets to this area, second, I see my candle formation around this area or within this area, 3, if stochastics confirm the alienation and the divergence. 3, 4 things. And then I'll start selling. Okay, thank you everyone for being here. Thank you for interacting with me. It's very fun when people ask questions and are active on the chat. I really, really appreciate it. And hopefully see you all tomorrow, same time. Thank you. Bye-bye.